My name is Jishinjot Singh and my student ID is 3012473. And today I am going to talk about globalization, which is in my course Contemporary Challenges for an IT Manager. So, what is a globalization? A globalization is a process of international integration arising from interchange of the world views, product, ideas, and other aspects of the culture. Financial globalization is expanding monetary and alliance of national, local, and nearby economics over the world through a strengthening of the cross outskirts, development of mechanized administrations, innovations, and capital. Whereas globalization is a wide situated of techniques concerning numerous systems of monetary, political, and social trade. Contemporary financial globalization is an impelled by quick developing of noteworthiness of data in different types of gainful experiences and marketization, and by improvements in science and technology. Monetary globalization essentially include globalization of creation and funds, markets and innovations, authoritative administrations and foundations, enterprises and labor. Financial globalization is an expanding monetary reconciliation and reliance of national, local, and nearby economics over the world through a strengthening of cross-outskirt development of mechanized administration, innovations, and capital. Whereas globalization is a wide situated techniques concerning numerous systems of monetary, political, social trade. Contemporary financial globalization is impelled by quick developing noteworthiness of data in different types of gainful exercises and marketization, and by improvements in science and technology. Monetary globalization essentially includes globalization, creation on funds, markets, and innovation, authoritative administration and foundations, enterprises and labor. And the globalization is not between the nations only. It combines the two nations. The products from the other countries are imported to another country. For this leads to both side developments of the nations. As for example, when some products are imported from China to India, both Chinese markets and Chinese industry and Indian industry both gets benefit, as the Chinese are growing their products into another country, while Indians are getting that products in a cheaper rates. Now I'm going to talk about how IT manager is related to globalization. For example, when a company becomes a globalized company, there are several offices in the world. For an IT manager, he has to take care of each and every part of an office, how its colleagues are going, how the computers and other systems are going, how it is connected to the main center of the company. He has to link each and every aspect of the company to the main company. He has to provide each and every detail what is going on in its company and to the main company. For example, this product, this is an energy drink. It is not an Australian made drink, but it is imported from the different country. So this is a process of globalization. So that's